Hello everyone. Should you buy mutual funds or should you buy index fund? Average investors are not good at picking stocks or mutual funds. Most of us would rely on financial advisors, financial publications, or stock rating agencies to give us a good guidance. But we should be able to find something that is not excessively volatile. At the same time, it can give us steady return year after year.
All about index funds.
Actually, index fund is a type of mutual fund which consists of a collection of stocks that track the returns of the market index. Let's say you invest $500 in S&P 500 index fund. The fund would put $1 in each company. This way, you will have an even distribution of investment among all 500 stocks. When the individual stocks fluctuate, your investment will not fluctuate as much because of the even distribution of all stocks in the index. Hypothetically speaking, if half of the index is down 50%, but the other half is up 50%.
Diversified investment.
So index fund is a diversified passive investment. The fund is not actively managed by a fund manager. Instead, it is just copying the index. Therefore, it bears much lower management fee than an actively managed fund. Vanguard S&P 500 index fund, for example, has an expense ratio of only 0.04%.
Passive.
On the other hand, the funds are not in the index fund category. We usually label them as mutual funds, which are actively managed funds. These are not passive investments. Fund managers appointed by the founder of the fund or trustees of the fund, actively managing the funds. When I say managed fund, it means that the fund managers are constructing a portfolio of stocks and making buying and selling decisions for the investors. The best example of mutual funds are Massachusetts Investor Growth Stock Fund and Vanguard Dividend Growth. The mutual funds are very diverse. There are many types of funds. For example, there are large cap fund, mid cap fund, small cap fund, international fund, technology fund, balanced fund, fixed income fund, specialty fund, and of course, index fund. Right, which one should you buy? I would say you should buy both index fund and a variety of other types of funds. Your portfolio should include as many types of funds as possible. When it comes to the investments, you should be diversified as much as possible. Your portfolio should include at least an index fund, a large cap fund, a mid cap fund, a small cap fund, a technology fund, and an international fund.
Well, which one should we buy?
So count your dollars from your wallet every day and make sure a good portion of them go to your investments. The more money you put in your portfolio today, the more returns you will receive in the future.
Count our money.
The money you see in your wallet today might end up in other people's wallet tomorrow if you don't invest it.
The investment.
The money can only become meaningful to you if you put it in the investment under your name.
Solid investments.
That concludes today's video.
Bye.